Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's lesson, we are going to learn how to write a strong argumentative essay in every simple and every easy way. Okay, by the end of this video, you know exactly how to structure your essay and convince your reader. Alright, let's get started. First, what is an argumentative essay? Okay, an argumentative essay is a type of writing where you take a clear position on a topic and try to persuade the reader to agree with you. Okay, so the keyword here is persuade, right? Okay, now, step number 1, choose a clear side. Choose a clear side. Okay, so you must decide whether you agree or you disagree, okay, with a topic. Don't sit in the middle. Once you choose a side, all right, stick to it throughout your essay. All right, hopefully it's clear. All right, now step number 2, okay, write a strong introduction. Okay, start by briefly explaining the topic. Then clearly state your opinion. This is called your synthesis statement. Okay? It tells the reader exactly where you stand. For example, school uniform should be mandatory because they promote discipline and equality. That is an example. All right? Be simple and clear. Okay. Then step number okay, so we are looking at step number okay, so we go to step number 3. This is step number 3. Step number 2, we have step number 1 there. Step number 2, we've talked about introduction. Then step number 3, where we look now to on a main body. Okay, so step number 3, we are saying write your main write your paragraphs. Okay, body of paragraphs. So this is where you support your argument. Each paragraph should be focused on one main idea. Okay, right? So follow this pattern. Pick a point, explain, and give an example. That is a pattern. You pick a point, you explain, and give an example. Okay, start with your main point, explain it, and then give an example to support it. Okay, for example, you might use uniforms reduce distractions. Then explain how and give a real life example. Okay, right now step number 4. Step number 4, we are saying you have to use evidence. Okay, evidence, but don't overdo it. Use evidence, but don't overdo it. Okay, hopefully we are clear. How does it work? So we are saying you can include the facts, statistics, or expert or opinion. Okay, so to make your argument stronger, right? So this is why you are using facts and statistics. Okay, when you're talking about statistics, we know that it has to do with numbers, isn't it? Okay, so use only a few strong pieces of evidence and always explain them, right? Okay, then let's go to step number 5. Okay, so here we are saying step number 5, we are saying stay strong and logical and focused. Okay, then in this case we are saying make sure everything you write supports your main argument. Don't go off. Okay, don't go off the topic. Keep your ideas clear and connected, right? Step number 6. Step number 6 here, we are simply looking at step number 6. We are looking at okay, you're being persuasive. Okay, being persuasive. So we are saying be confident in your writing. Okay, and use strong and clear words. Okay, but avoid exaggerating or false claims. Okay, you must you want to sound convincing, okay, but not emotional or aggressive. You try to balance things, right? Okay. Then step number 7, you avoid common mistakes. Avoid common mistakes. Okay, don't contradict yourself, right? Don't insult other opinions. Okay? Instead, focus on proving why your argument makes more sense, right? Okay. Now, finally, we have step number 8. Step number 8 there, we are saying you simply write a strong conclusion. Okay? Restart your main point in the conclusion, then summarize your key points or key ideas, okay? And end with a powerful final statement that leaves an impression, okay? So now we need to go through a very quick reminder, okay? So now we are saying a structure. So far we've talked about the structure of the argumentative writing. So we are saying argumentative writing is simply it starts with an introduction, paragraph or body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2, and body paragraph 3. So it depends with the points that you are dealing with. It can be as many paragraphs as possible. Then finally you have a conclusion. So that is the structure, okay? And make sure you write the title, okay? You write the title, okay? So, and here is an easy formula, okay? So you have to use an easy formula for you to remember. Okay, so you are saying pick a side, okay, support it, prove it, and conclude it. So that is the easy formula to remember. Okay, so so when you reach there, if you have grabbed this content, okay, that's it. Argumentative writing made easy, okay? If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next lesson.